Welcome to the Tech Boy Anand YouTube channel.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Boy Anand. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix high memory usage in Windows 11 and stop your RAM from getting full. If your PC feels slow, lags, or freezes when opening apps, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Disable startup programs. First, let's stop unnecessary programs from starting with Windows. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Right-click the apps you rarely use and select Disable. This will prevent those apps from consuming memory every time your PC boots up, making it much faster. Step 2. Adjust virtual memory. Next, let's optimize virtual memory, which acts as extra RAM. Press Windows plus S, search for Advanced System Settings, and open it. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Select your C drive, choose Custom Size, and set initial size equals your RAM in megabytes. Maximum size equals 1.5 to 2 times your RAM. Click Set, then OK, and restart your PC. This helps Windows handle more apps without lag or crashes. Step 3. Disable SysMain service. Now, let's disable SysMain, or Superfetch, which often causes high memory usage. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to find SysMain. Right-click, Properties, click Stop. Change Startup Type to Disabled. Then click Apply and OK. This will free up RAM that SysMain was constantly using in the background. Step 4. Run System File Checker. Finally, let's fix any corrupted system files that may cause memory leaks. Press Windows plus S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter: sfc/scan now. Wait for the process to complete. Windows will automatically repair any damaged files. Once the scan finishes, restart your PC. And that's it. After following these steps, your Windows 11 memory usage should drop significantly, and your system will run much smoother. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick Windows fixes and optimization tips. Thanks for watching. This is Tech Boy Anand signing off. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.